Appeal denied. The United States Supreme Court delivers one final blow to Kwame Kilpatrick's bid to get out of prison. Today, the Supreme Court said they decided to not review the case and rejected Kilpatrick's appeal without comment.
So that means Kilpatrick is unlikely to get his 28-year public corruption sentence overturned. So let's get to defender Kevin Dietz. And Kevin, this probably is the last chapter in this case, or is it?
Well, I don't think we'll see any last chapter in the Kwame Kilpatrick story anytime soon. But this Supreme Court ruling definitely means that his odds of getting a new trial or getting out of prison anytime soon are next to none.
Kwame Kilpatrick will not get a new trial as the United States Supreme Court rejects his appeal without comment. The former Detroit mayor is serving a 28-year sentence for racketeering and fraud, convicted of steering millions of dollars to his contractor buddy, Bobby Ferguson, in a pay-for-play scheme. Ferguson is serving a 20-year sentence. The Kilpatrick era has ended in Detroit, but almost everyone still remembers the bigger-than-life hip-hop mayor and has an opinion on his fall from grace.
I think he did a dynamic thing for the city. I'm tired of them beating him across the coals, though.
He should be held responsible for what he did to the city. And no, he shouldn't get another appeal. He should sit down and do his time.
And an opinion on his lengthy prison sentence and his effort to shorten it.
I think they should at least hear what he had to say versus just making a decision.
I think he's had enough days in court, so I'm good with that decision.
Kilpatrick wanted a new trial because his lawyer had a conflict of interest and the relationship had broken down. He also said federal prosecutors gave federal agents too much latitude while testifying in the court trial. The Court of Appeals didn't buy it and the Supreme Court isn't interested. So Kilpatrick's 28-year sentence stands. He's housed in El Reno, Oklahoma federal prison and is scheduled for release in August 2037.
So people ask, what about a presidential pardon? Well, the rules are that Kwame Kilpatrick has to serve at least 5 years in prison before he's eligible for a presidential pardon. So if he's going to apply for one, it will not come from President Barack Obama. Kevin Dietz, Defenders.
Okay, Kevin.